Start. It is admitted case that the petitioner had applied for allotment of a flat in the above mentioned scheme. Full stop. The normal procedure of allotment of a flat has been prescribed in 1979 regulation. Full stop. Regulation 34, in unequivocal terms says that a plot building shall be allotted by a lottery drawn publicly. Full stop. It has also been mentioned in the same regulation that all the applicants shall be sent written information regarding the place, date and time of the lottery, and such information shall be made public by publishing the same in newspaper and promulgation through other similar sources. Full stop. It is the admitted case of the petitioner that she did not participate in the draw made through lottery and that her name and the disputed flat were kept segregated. Full stop. The main contention of the petitioner is that since the housing commissioner kept her name and the disputed accommodation out of the drawal of lottery, it means that the disputed flat was allotted to her, and the housing commissioner and the respondent number 1 are bound under law to approve its allotment in her favor. Full stop. It is her further contention that the segregation process by itself means that the respondent number 1 as well as the housing commissioner have decided that, keeping in view her request, the said flat was allotted to her, and giving an approval of the same is nothing more than a formality. Full stop. This contention has been vehemently opposed by the official respondents. Full stop. They have categorically stated that there were few more applications pending before the housing commissioner regarding the same flat, and after due consideration the housing commissioner took the decision that these flat should be exchanged by flat number L410, which was allotted through lottery to private respondents. Full stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner Shri Satish Chaturvedi has argued that since the flat in question was segregated for allotment in favor of the petitioner awaiting formal approval of the same, the flat in question stood allotted in her favor. Full stop. It has been further submitted that the decision taken by the housing commissioner on 20/12/2006 to segregate the flat from normal mode of allotment, and the fact that the application of the petitioner was kept out of lottery draw simply means that the Parishad had actually allotted the same in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. It has been further submitted by Mr. Chaturvedi that the allotment of the disputed flat in favor of the private respondents is bad, as it was done undue the order of the respondent number 3, who did not have any authority to pass such an order. Full stop. It has also been argued from the side of the petitioner that due to her difficulties and genuine need, the petitioner had requested the Chief Minister of UP for allotment of the particular flat, which was duly considered by him, and in this background the commissioner exercised his power in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. Para. In our opinion, this argument does not have any force. Full stop. From the perusal of Regulation 48, it is evident that the law has given certain powers to the housing commissioner, keeping in view certain unforeseen contingencies and difficulties which may arise any time before the parishad. Full stop. It may be true that the petitioner is living separately from her husband since long out. She has the capacity to purchase a HIG flat in the metropolitan city of Kanpur, which indicates her reasonably good financial status also. Full stop. Therefore, one cannot say that she is a poor lady having no means. Full stop. From the records, it is evident that the husband of her real sister is the Provident Fund Commissioner of Uttarakhand State, who too had approached the officers of the parishad with request that the disputed accommodation be allotted to the petitioner. Full stop. This fact is evident from the noting of the officers on various letters which are available on record. Full stop. It is also clear from the records that in the event of the death of the petitioner, her sister, who is the wife of the Provident Fund Commissioner, will be her nominee. Full stop. This by itself shows her good relationship with the sister, who is the wife of the very senior officer of the state, and therefore it is clear that the petitioner does not belong to the weaker section of the society. Full stop.